Today, I am visiting a very special cake shop in Nerul, and it's extra special because it belongs to my school friend from St. Xavier's High School, Nerul. From the moment you step inside, the cafe welcomes you with a warm, cozy, and beautifully decorated ambience. One section of the cafe ceiling is designed with mirrors and soft lighting, which adds a very elegant and modern feel to the space. The walls are decorated with beautiful photo frames featuring interesting quotes about food, adding a charming touch to the bakery. The interiors are beautifully decorated with cute little tables and soft music that creates a very relaxing cafe vibe. A stylish shelf displays a lovely arrangement of books and cookies, giving the cafe a warm and creative touch. Here comes Vanessa Rego, the talented baker behind this beautiful cafe.
There's a story behind starting Vanillicious. 5 to 7 years back, as you know, that there was no bakery, the good bakeries in Navi Mumbai. That time, croissant, Korean bun, or a good, cup of coffee wasn't available over here. So I dreamed of having a coffee shop or a pastry shop back then. My sister, who has her birthday in May, we used to celebrate her birthday always in Mangalore. Even Mangalore doesn't have a good pastry shop. So I had a dream in my heart when I was young that one day I'll come back to Mangalore and I'll open up something for her so that we can celebrate her birthday with a good, good cake. So that dream was always there in my heart to, learn cakes and do something in the background of cakes. That's when we decided that we need to start something over here. So, as you know, this all started with passion, and there was no business inclination in me to start a business, but to do it out of passion. Not having, first of all, the knowledge of what goes behind the business. How does one business become successful? What do the people really need? What the market would want? And how would we sustain it after approximately 6 months to 1 year on were the questions I never pondered on right from the beginning. Secondly, the amount of work that goes into business that was never known. It takes a toll on your body, it takes a toll on your mental health right in the beginning. Those I am very sure that all business people go through that. And but it doesn't once you go into that background, that's the only time you get to know, oh, these are the problems that could face. Yeah, those are the other things that we had to face right in the beginning. The best seller has always been tiramisu, but before that also there was this dessert called as cookie, wherein we combine a croissant and a cookie dough together. Alone it feels good, but with a cup of hot chocolate, it just becomes magical. 1 cup of hot chocolate dipped in, the hot cookie, and it is just too good. We recently started with a chocolate Basque cheesecake. You get Basque cheesecakes and the drizzle on top, but that too is there only with us. But this is a chocolate induced Basque cheesecake altogether, and it is too good, too good. Apart from that, customized cakes or normal cakes, half kg range and everything. Apart from that, cherry and chocolate is our main selling thing. People are very skeptical with that combination also. How would cherry go? It's a sour taste. How would that go in a chocolate based cake? But again, that is a match made in heaven. To be very honest, a woman or a man both have to go through the same deal of problems in a business. That is for sure. If you're a woman entering, you are not going to avoid them. Like your authority will be questioned by your employees. You know, employees listen more to male figure, male authority, but when it's a woman figure who's telling them, especially when you are younger in age. When I started, I was 24 years of age, and most of the people whom I employed were older than me, so they had a very difficult time to adjust that there was a woman in authority. She's a girl. This mentality is always there. What can she do? Every time somebody comes over here, they come to me and they're like, "We want to talk to the owner," as if expecting a male, figure who would be in their 40s to 50s, that person can talk properly. So there are a lot of challenges wherein if it was a man, they could have spoken to the employees in a manly way and nothing wrong could have been perceived. Whereas a woman has to always have her guards up, that you have to be free enough, but you can't be too free that you would be perceived wrong, where you have to keep your boundaries right in places and be aware. So don't hold yourself back, but be aware of these questions arising. And even if this arises, you with full force go ahead and answer those questions.
And just look at this tempting display: freshly baked cakes, breads, and desserts. They have a wide variety of cakes, desserts, and bakery items to choose from. For every occasion in our family, we always choose cakes from Vanillicious. The quality, richness, and taste makes them truly special. The menu offers a delightful variety from delicious pastries and cakes to breakfast favorites like pasta and sandwiches. So proud to see young entrepreneurs like Vanessa turning their passion into something so beautiful. If you are a dessert lover, you must visit this cafe. Wishing her lots of success and growth ahead. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.